Hey there, my friend. Ever opened your washing machine only to be greeted by a not-so-pleasant odor that makes your nose curl? Yeah, we've all been there. Today, let's talk about how to get rid of that washing machine smell. We've got some easy, foolproof ways to make that funky smell history. But first, what are things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Ever wondered why your washer might start to stink in the first place? Your washer is essentially a warm, wet box. The perfect breeding ground for bacteria and mold, and they can produce some nasty smells. This isn't just me saying it, there's a study by the University of Arizona from 2017 confirming it. These guys really dove deep into the science behind those nasty smells in your home appliances. Step 1 in our smelly-washer-banishing quest is to run an empty hot water cycle. Simple, right? Just set your washer to the hottest setting and let it do its thing. This can help kill some of that stinky bacteria. It's kind of like when you boil water to purify it, but for your washing machine. Moving on to step 2, we're going to use some vinegar and baking soda. Yeah, I know, it sounds like a high school science experiment, but trust me, it's effective. As per a study by Oregon State University in 2018, the acidity of vinegar can kill mold and bacteria, and baking soda can absorb bad odors. Who knew, right? All you have to do is add 2 cups of white vinegar to your washer and run another hot water cycle. Then sprinkle half a cup of baking soda into the drum and run a third hot cycle. It's like giving your washing machine a refreshing spa day. Step 3 is all about maintenance. Remember, prevention is better than cure. So, after each wash cycle, leave the door ajar for a few hours to let your machine dry out naturally. This advice was shared by the University of Florida in their Household Cleaning Guide of 2020. It's a bit like airing out your sweaty gym shoes. It stops the stink before it starts. That's it, my friends. A stink-free washing machine is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Remember, run a hot cycle, use vinegar and baking soda, and keep the door open to dry out. So simple, so effective. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and drop a comment below. Have you tried these steps? Do you have your own tricks for a fresh-smelling washer? Let us know.